Good afternoon, this is Paul Blackston from Advanced Truck Centers Columbus, your authorized Jerdan distributor, here to discuss our latest arrival, the Western Star 49X. Nice powertrain with X15 Cummins, 450 horse, Allison 4500 RDS transmission. Great frontal visibility. 20K front axle, 315 80R 22.5 tires on the front. Give you lots of clearance. 60-inch toolboxes on both sides. Pull-out ladders. Lock and chain racks on the headboard. Lots of lighting. Whalen light bar. LED work lights on the headboard, at the winch, and at the rear. You have a 20K winch with D-rings. 40K rear axle with 255 70R 22.5s. We have the underlift option with 2.5-inch hitch receiver. $4,000 extended, 5,000 pounds retracted. Full 5-function remote. Conspicuity tape at the rear for maximum visibility. We have glad hands and we have an air hookup. We have Jerdan's innovative rail lighting system. When your bed is extended and you're loading equipment and the light bar is covered, you can still see your lights flashing from the side. Very gentle tilt angle, making it easy to run small wheeled equipment on and off. Last but not least, lots of tie down points, inside, outside key slot strips, and 4 evenly spaced D-rings along the rails, so that you can easily secure loads of all sizes and shapes. You have removable rails in case you need to guide Connex type boxes on. Anti-skid paint to avoid slippage when you're walking on and off the deck. Excellent financing available. Multiple vendors, including Jerdan Finance for both conventional loan and finance lease options. Call Paul today, 740-215-9012. 740-215-9012.